There's nothing worse than eating your scrambled eggs and biting into a chunk of eggshell. So when this happens, it can take a couple minutes to get it out. If you've tried fishing out that little piece of shell with your finger, you'll find that it just keeps sliding away because the rest of the egg is just kind of pushing it around. Same thing with a spoon. If you just try and scoop it out, it just seems to keep moving around inside those eggs. The trick is to grab a piece of eggshell. The sharp edge will slide through that egg and the shell will almost like float towards it. So what's happening is there's a combination of viscosity and surface tension, and that eggshell can cut right through it. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.